And what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we are playing some more Gear Club Unlimited 2. And today I'll be showing you guys my garage in Gear Club. So let's get right into it. So the one that I'm carrying now is currently the Mercedes-AMG C63S. Thing is thick, alright? So that's a thick one. Then we got the McLaren P1, typical orange, that's the way I like it. Got the Nissan GTR Nismo. Got the 720S. The Pagani Zonda Sync, I think is what it's called. I ain't too sure about that. Got that engine, baby. Got the Koenigsegg Agera RS Custom. Then we just got the Koenigsegg Agera RS. Got the 570S GT4. This is the Acura NSX 2016. Bugatti Veyron Grand Sport. The McLaren 570S, that's the Bugatti, the 570S. And then we got the GTR. And if I go to, oh wait, no. Go back. If I go to X, these are like my other cars. So I put that. There, you got the Camaro. Let me see this. The Camaro 1 LS. Got the Mini Cooper. The Alfa Romeo 4C. The Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. Dodge Challenger Shark Fin. The 718 Boxer GTS. The Mustang GT300. The M2 Coupe. Still don't really know what this car is. The 378 GT is a Guide Tow Custom. My 4C. The Focus RS. The Corvette Stingray. The M6 Coupe. The M4 Coupe. Jaguar F-Type. The AMG GTS. And the 911 G22 RS. And yep, that was basically my car collection. But I think my favorite run right now is this one, the C63S. It looks great. But when it comes to the doors, bro, when it comes to like opening the door zone, is this one. Bro, look at that, the butterfly doors, bro. I think the 570S does that one too. Let me see. That has regular doors. Yeah, McLaren with the butterflies, bro. And if y'all didn't know, this Bugatti has like a speed key that you put on like the driver's side of the car at the bottom. You plug it in, and it's like, I guess it gets it faster. So yeah, that was basically my garage and Gear Club Unlimited 2. Let me know in the comments what's y'all favorite car, and if y'all want to see me do some more, do Fortnite. But you know, I might do Minecraft. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on post notifications, tell me what your favorite car is, and roll to 50 subscribers. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Peace out.